Hey, everybody. You got your girl Sabrina Wright here. And today I want to talk about understanding the basics of credit, all right? This is a little lunch and learn, okay? Before I get my day started, I want to come on and drop some jewels down for you, for the people, that want to fix their credit and want to understand, exactly how to do that. And it's some factors that you must factor in order to fix your credit, okay? So I'm gonna give people enough time to jump on. I'm gonna take my ballet 30. Hello. Like and share this video. All right, and I'm gonna talk about understanding the basics of credit, okay? Understanding the basics of credit. And so one thing that we must understand is that the desire is to have an 850 credit score, right? That's the desire. And so we have to understand that everybody starts off with a 300 credit score, okay? So what I need for you to do is help me out by typing some of these notes in the comment box, okay? Because what it does is not only help, you and me stay on track, but the other people that come on and watch this, they'll be able to have notes and understand exactly what we were saying, okay? So help me out by dropping some notes in the comment box. All right, so one of the things you can drop in the comment box is that everybody starts off with a 300 credit score, okay? And then what we have to understand now is that we want to get an 850 credit score. And so at this point, that leaves you about 550 points that you must get in order to get an 850 credit score, okay? And so when you get your credit fixed, we have to address 5 factors, okay? 5 factors is being addressed when you're fixing your credit. The very first one is payment history, okay? Type in the comment box. Payment history is factor 1. And payment history is 192 points. All right, so with 100% payment history, that can give you 192 points, okay? That's factor 1. Factor 2 is credit utilization, okay? Credit utilization is how much credit you have versus how much credit you are using, okay? And so if you get that credit utilization up under 30%, you can have 165 points, okay? That's 165 points. Then you got the credit history, okay? Credit history is the length of time that you've had credit, okay? That's 82 points. 82 points. Then we have new credit. New credit is 55 points, okay? And then credit mix is another 55 points, okay? If you add all these up together, it's going to equal up to 550 points. So if you do every single thing, if you got your payment history together, you got your credit utilization together, your credit history, your new credit and credit mix, which is involving credit and installment credit, if you have all of those factors taken care of, all 5 factors taken care of on your credit report, then you can get a 850 credit score. So it's important that you understand the 5 factors, right? And the point system connected to the 5 factors so that you can make sure that you do the proper steps to get all the points necessary in that area, okay? So if you need more help with disputing some negative items, if you need more help with, establishing that new credit, that installment credit, that revolving credit, if you need help with that payment history, credit utilization, then don't hesitate, okay? I'm going to drop a link in the comment box of this video, all right? And then you're going to just click it and get signed up in my financial success group, okay? In my financial success group, and what we talk about is credit. We talk about more than that, but credit is one of the big things. So once you get started, you'll be added to my Telegram group, and you'll have VIP access to me to ask me all types of questions about credit, different things about finances, taxes, and all that good stuff, okay? So but I just want to come through real quick and share with you the 5 factors of building your credit so that you can now get that 850 credit score that you deserve and you desire. All right, guys? So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye for now.